If you want to time travel, then come to these two islands. They will help you do just that. On the left is Big Diomede Island, and on the right is Little Diomede Island. They are only 3 kilometers apart. What's interesting is that in winter, the sea here freezes, and you can freely walk from one island to the other. Even more special if you start walking from the Big Island at 7 a.m. on Friday. After about 1 hour of walking, when you set foot on the small island, it will be 11 a.m. on Thursday. That means you've gone back in time. Why is that? These two islands lie in the Bering Strait, which separates Russia and the U.S. Big Diomede belongs to Russia and Little Diomede to the U.S. The Russian island has no inhabitants, while the American island has 80 people living in a small fishing village. You can time travel here because between the two islands is the international date line. They are 21 hours apart. People often call Little Diomede the Yesterday Island and Big Diomede the Tomorrow Island.